If you want to know how to select all in Evernote, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it on both a single note and across your notes list. This is super useful when you want to copy, move, format, or manage content faster without clicking everything manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Evernote tips just like this. Now let's get into it. First, let's look at selecting all text inside a single note. Open the Evernote note you want to edit. Once the note is open, click anywhere inside the text body so the cursor becomes active. This step is important because the keyboard shortcut only works properly when Evernote knows you're working inside the note content. Now, on Windows, press Ctrl plus A. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus A. As soon as you do that, Evernote will highlight all of the text in the note. You'll usually see the content turn blue, which tells you everything in that note is selected. From there, you can copy it, cut it, delete it, or apply formatting changes to the entire note all at once. This is one of the fastest ways to manage long notes, especially if you're editing meeting notes, research notes, or any document with a lot of text. Instead of dragging your mouse across the entire page, just use the shortcut and save yourself time. Now, let's move on to selecting all notes in a notebook or in your notes list. This method works in the Evernote desktop app or in the web version. Start by going to the Notes section from the sidebar. This will display your full list of notes instead of just one open note. Next, click on the very first note in the list. This helps focus the Notes pane so Evernote knows you want to work with the list itself. After that, press Ctrl plus A on Windows or Command plus A on Mac. When you do this correctly, Evernote should select every note currently shown in that view, and you may see a blue highlight or selection bar indicating that all notes are selected. This is really helpful if you're organizing a large notebook, moving notes to another folder, or deleting multiple notes at once. Just make sure you're in the correct section before using the shortcut, because the result depends on whether you're inside a note or in the notes list. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work right away, click once more in the note body or note list area and try again. Keyboard shortcuts in Evernote often depend on where your cursor or focus is placed, so that little extra click can make all the difference. And that's it. Now you know how to select all in Evernote, whether you're working inside OneNote or managing multiple notes in a list. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Evernote tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.